the first step, you have an idea, which we did. What if we turned this ugly, bit of a pig of a car, like the M2, into a really, really full, really, really awesome time attack car, or even just a street track car.
Oh, yeah.
Something that can do street duties, but also go to the racetrack and do a really good job and kind of maintain a little bit of everything. You maintain your cooling, also but maintain the kind of similar balance that it had from factory, and still be able for customers to push really hard and also look really good. Looking good is really important, obviously, because you guys have to cater to the street customers, right? But having the product actually perform the way it does and perform as advertised, and that's why you guys come to the racetrack to test and back it up, is really important to us as well, right? So that you can only get that repeated result through testing, through like different conditions, different cars, different setup, and figure things out kind of little by little as you go. So having you guys do all like the background, like we've seen the Excel sheets and the spreadsheets of like all the different tests you run on, like, oh, what if we run this part with this part with this part, but not with the front splitter and so on, and see what aero balance, what downforce the number we get, what drag figures we get at what speed. It like a lot of that ends up becoming determining factors on, okay, now we need to develop this part, now we need to develop that part. Maybe the car needs a little more rear wing. That's why the car now has the Supra has the high downforce front splitter, and now you have the V1X option for guys who want to run the maybe not the UCW at 14 degrees, but you can run the V1X at 1 to 2 degrees. Yeah, that approach to like, okay, what's the next step to make everything better? I think that's what we really like to work with Verus, because it helps us become better too.